Handle disassembly and assembly. Remove the screws. Remove the protective cover. Disconnect the wiring harness connector. Remove the wiring harness fixing screws. Remove the gas spring. After tapping out the fixing pin, take out the pin shaft. Install the handle and connect it to the pump body with the pin shaft. Install the gas spring. Align the concave and convex surfaces of the connector, then connect the main wiring harness. Secure the wiring. Place the cover plate and secure it with screws to complete the installation.